In the shadows where the silence screams, a land once bright, lost in shattered dreams. Whispers of hope drown in the night as the echoes of the past blur the lights. Hawiye, where did we go wrong? Promises broken, we were once so strong. Infamous tales in the streets unfold, a story of sorrow that's grown too old. But look where they've put us now, can you see? A nation held hostage, yearning to break free. Looting and killing, it's a haunting refrain. We're searching for peace in a world filled with pain. Corruption's grip, it's tightening fast. The weight of the past is a shadow we cast. Innocence lost in the fire of greed. Every tear shed is a desperate plea. Oh yeah, the voices rise in the dark. For a future that's lost, can we find a spark? With every heartbeat, we're fighting the tide. Together we stand, we won't run, we won't hide. But look where they've put us now, can you see? A nation held hostage, yearning to break free. Looting and killing, it's a haunting refrain. We're searching for peace in a world filled with pain. Still flickers, it won't disappear. In the hearts of the brave we hold on the fear. Together we'll rise, break the chains of the past. With unity and love we can make it last. Well, look where they've put us now, can you see? A nation held hostage, yearning to break free. Looting and killing, it's a haunting refrain. We're searching for peace in a world filled with pain. Your name carries weight, but with courage and strength, we can rewrite our fate. In the ashes of sorrow,